Hi guys, today I'm gonna show you guys how to use Samsung Dex without using your phone as a mouse pad, just using external mouse and keyboard on your laptop. And to do that, first you need to download the Samsung Dex from the Samsung website. Just scroll down, find the download option right here. And because I already downloaded, I'm not gonna download it again, and turn it on. Yeah, and then just plug your phone to your laptop. And I already turned it on, so when I plugged it in, it's gonna ask me if I want to start it now. And after I plugged it in, it will automatically start on my laptop screen, as you see. So now I can use my external mouse to control without using my phone as the mouse pad. I know a lot of people had a problem with that because once they connected the Samsung Dex, they use the phone as a mouse pad, so it's very laggy, very slow. It's just a little bit slower than the mouse that I'm using right now, because I'm just using the mouse that the external mouse that I'm using with my laptop. Also the keyboard, I'm just using the laptop keyboard, so there's no delay or anything. You see that I can control everything, and I can turn everything on just with one click. So for some people who can connect with the Samsung Dex, just go to Good Luck and download the multi-star and click on I love Samsung Dex to activate it, and it'll work. So I hope it works for you guys, and I hope you guys enjoy it. Thank you.